are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today we're opening up the January 2020 beach box. I still feel so weird every time I say January 2020, but yeah, so this is one of the first boxes of January we are opening. If you guys do not know what the beach box is, it is a subscription that is monthly. It's available on Cratejoy. It costs $34.99 a month. When I was just checking out the Cratejoy site before filming, it looks like there is a promo code. It says for a special discount, so I'll leave all that information down below. I'm not exactly sure what you save, but you'll definitely save some money if you do subscribe. So like I said, this ships monthly and it also ships worldwide from the US, so that is great. Every single month they have a new beach that they're featuring, and inside the box you get 5 to 6 coastal items. So they could be like coastal themed items, so they could be accessories, jewelry, home decor, bath goods. There's a bunch of cute stuff. You always get a bonus treat in each box as well. I've been really enjoying this box. So they say on here it is the monthly subscription box inspired by the sea, and it totally is. So yeah, let's get this open. So when I open it up, this is what I see. It says, "Welcome to Newport Beach, California, a classic California coastal city that hosts a stunning annual sandcastle competition that is a sight to see. This year will be the 59th occurrence of the fun event." That's so cool. And by the way, I'm rocking a very natural look today. And I thought a beachy box would be okay to do that with. But yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, I was not filming as much lately because my family was in town and I've just been a little tired, so I thought I'd just ease into it with this box, which is perfect. Oh my god, everything looks so cute. I've had a very beachy few days. We did a lot of fun stuff outside, so let's get started. So here's our little extra treat, so cute. It's a sucker, what some of you guys call a lollipop. It's like a pink little seashell or flower sucker, so nice. On the back of that card I was reading from, it lists the items inside. It doesn't give pricing, but it does say what's in here and then gives a little description. It looks like we received some jewelry. Let's get it out of this bag here. This is by Trendy Jewels. Ooh, this definitely has a coastal vibe. So this is a longer necklace. You can adjust it, it looks like. But it has a sand dollar there. And then this gem and a tassel. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. This is cute. I wonder if I should keep this or give this to my aunt. I always want to give stuff to family members since I live in Florida and a lot of families down here too. We can all wear all this coastal stuff all the time. Well, anyone can all year round, but it's definitely Florida-like, isn't it? So the sand dollar necklace, it says, "Complete your outfit with this lovely long sand dollar tassel necklace." Super cute. Now what is this? Ooh, is this a towel for the kitchen? Isn't this so cute? I love coastal colors like blues. Blue I think is my favorite color. I have a hard time choosing favorites, but I always love blues. It says, "I cannot adult today. If anyone needs me, I'll be at the beach building sandcastles." Oh, this is perfect for the theme. I think this is so cute. I will definitely use this right away. I love this. So it says, "The kitchen towel. Hang this towel in your kitchen for a fun reminder of the childlike joy the beach can evoke every time you make a meal." It's so true. This is so cute. And I love how there's waves on the back and stuff. Awesome. So far I'm loving this. The next item in here is by California Palm. It says Butter Balm. So I think this is some kind of lotion. Let's see, so it's made with coconut oil, almond oil, shea butter, beeswax, vitamin E oil, sunflower oil, natural fragrances. It's all natural, 2 ounces. So it says, "Handmade with natural and ultra hydrating ingredients, this butter balm will soothe and restore your hands, feet, and elbows all winter long." So let's get this open. There's a safety seal around it. So looks like a balm. It has a coconut scent, I would say. It's not too strong, probably just because it's made with the coconut oil. Yeah, this feels nice, and a little bit goes a long way with balms like this, so I feel like this would last all winter long and then some, so I'm glad to have this. Ooh, and the next thing is in some bubble wrap. Let's get this open. Oh my gosh, I love this. This box is so on theme with their beach this month. So here is a sand castle and there is a candle inside. It's like a little tea candle. I love this. So this is by AMR Mr. Sandman. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love this. It's got some weight to it too. So the sandcastle candle holder says, instantly add joy to any room with this cute handmade real sand tea light holder by Mr. Sandman. Yeah, you can tell this is made from real sand. How do they do that? Do you guys see all the detail on here? I hope so. This is really cool. This is so perfect for my house. Yay! And that is not the last item. There should be something else in here. Let's find it. Ooh, looks like we have some home decor. It says, don't worry, beach happy. It's like a little easel. Oh my god, I really like this box. So this is by Primitives by Kathy. And it says on here, don't worry, beach happy easel, perfectly capturing the California mindset. This easel will remind you to stay upbeat and positive. I love this. Everything in here, I'm like, this is perfect. I think even if you don't live somewhere like coastal like me, like I live on the Gulf, and you love the beach, you could still really love this box. So this is one of my favorites. I'm liking everything inside. So let's just do a little recap. So we have our kitchen towel, which again says, I cannot adult today. If anyone needs me, I'll be at the beach building sandcastles. I love that. And it has the waves on the back. We have the sand dollar necklace, which I love the colors of, and I love sand dollars. There's like a tassel on the end as well. We have our California Palm Butter Balm. We had our little extra bonus treat, which is a sucker. The Don't Worry Beach Happy little easel. And the sandcastle candle, little tea candle. I love this. All of this is so good. I really like that it's a lot of home stuff this month. Again, it varies every single month. So we got some jewelry, some bath products, like 3 home products, and a treat. I think this was a great month. You guys have to let me know what you think down below. Again, this is $34.99 a month, and there is that discount code on their website. I think anyone that loves like the beach or like the coastal life would love this box, so definitely check it out if you're interested. Again, all the information is down below. And to those of you still watching, I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a live. I've been doing I've been wanting to start doing like consistently, like every other week, get ready with me live using my Shop My Stash products. And usually I would do that on a Monday, but I'm not gonna do it today. I'm gonna post this video instead. So I think I'm gonna go live tomorrow. Let me know if that works for you guys. I want as many of you as possible to join so we can catch up. I feel like it's been a while. I miss you guys so much. I hope you guys had a great holiday. I had a great one. My family was in town for a few weeks, like I've said. It was a blast. I'm a little tired from all the fun, but trying to get back in the groove of things, so hopefully I will get back to a daily upload schedule. Thank you again for all of your patience. I love you guys so much. And yeah, I can't wait to see what boxes come in this month. So far, so good, because I really like this box. Again, leave your thoughts down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.